In today's world, sustainability is more important than ever. At Basemap, we're committed to helping you to make the switch to electric vehicles easily and efficiently. Reducing costs, improving service, and balancing that with meeting carbon neutral targets is a key struggle when it comes to our public services, and that's where EVR comes in. EVR is a powerful tool that helps to plan the most efficient route for your fleets. Whether made up of electric vehicles, internal combustion engine vehicles, or a mixed fleet. Whether it's delivering prescriptions, carrying out maintenance, or clearing fly tipping, EVR takes into account the weight of items, delivery timeframes, and the impact of weather on the battery life of electric vehicles to create the optimal route. Let's take a look at a real-world example. Imagine a council's fleet of maintenance vehicles. Using EVR, you can map out the most efficient routes, saving on fuel costs and reducing emissions. Here's how it works. The council inputs the details of their fleet and jobs into EVR. The system then calculates the most efficient route, taking into account the timeframes the job must be completed within, how long the jobs will take, and the weight of any deliveries or collections. This not only saves money, but also ensures timely job completion and lowers the environmental impact of travelling between jobs. Using EVR, you can identify the cost and emission savings of transitioning to electric vehicles, helping you to build a business case and identify which vehicles to change and when. Making the switch to electric vehicles is a smart move for local councils, and EVR is here to help. Visit our website to find out more and start your journey towards sustainability today.